Built tough, built smart. This is the Real Power Industrial Tctu 50 coiling system, proudly manufactured in the USA. Designed for high-performance hose handling, this three-part system combines rugged capability with precision control. At the front of the line, the MTT 2000 motorized turntable supports up to 2,000 pounds of load and delivers smooth, controlled payout speeds of up to 60 feet per minute. In the middle, the DWMS measuring and cutting system offers accurate footage tracking with a dual-wheel encoder, plus a pneumatically actuated fine-tooth saw for clean, precise cuts. At the heart of the setup is the Tctu 50 coiler take-up. It handles hose up to 5.18 inches in diameter with a robust coiling head that adjusts manually from 16 to 25 inches ID and up to 56 inches wide. The pivoting head rotates between vertical and horizontal positions for safe, efficient unloading, ideal for overhead crane operations. The Tctu 50 coiling system by Real Power. American engineered performance, smart, strong, and built to last.